Grow your own. Eat your own. Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is Thursday, February 20th, and it is 9:47 a.m. And today we are going to check out what I've got going on in my seed room. So stay tuned. Okay, excuse me, my voice is not wanting to work with me today. On this shelf, I have the lights lowered, and I switched the shelves that I had the tomatoes on. I originally wanted my tomatoes on this one, but I realized the bottom shelf on the other shelf, other shelf is higher, or yeah, you know what I mean. So on this shelf, I have Roma tomatoes. Well, I've got a lot of tomatoes, and y'all, I don't need no more tomatoes. I think I got 60 tomato plants already. But there were a few of them that died that I need to replace, and those were the Polish linguiça, what am I trying to say? Tomato, and the the super sauce tomato. And I only had 3 of those pop up, but that's good. I needed those because I think I only have 1 of each one of those on my other shelf. Here I planted some daikon radishes, and they are just taken off so much that they are leaning over. So that's what is in here, and I've got the California Wonder, bell pepper, and mushroom basket, Polish linguiça, Amish paste, super sauce, and more Roma tomatoes. Okay. On this tray, you can see they're all leggy, and that's because they were on the top shelf with no light. And these are more tomatoes, with the exception of a few bell pepper. But these super sauce tomatoes over here, they are, oh my God, just unruly. They just so leggy, it's just not even funny. But that's what's on in here. Alrighty. Over here, it doesn't look like my broccoli came up. The Calabrese or Calabrese broccoli, that's what this row is. They didn't come up. I've got some Sun King. I only had 5 of them germinate. I only had 2 of the Waltham broccoli, 1 cauliflower germinate. This is rutabaga. These are turnips, and here are Georgia collards. I'm going to plant some more Georgia collards. Then here, these are my cosmos, and they are, of course, leggy because they were on the top shelf as well. Now let me set that right there and grab these. These are, and I am really hoping that you can see me. I think I'll just take the camera off the tripod. These are my mammoth sunflowers. They are looking marvelous. So let me put these back over there and put the cosmos with their little leggy self back. Here are some marigolds. Not many of those came up, but some did come up, so I'm happy about that. Let me set that there. They're looking a little dry. I need to water them. These are some zinnias that are looking marvelous. And over here are more cosmos. Now I had two types of cosmos. I had a bright lights Cosmo and a regular Cosmo. I guess it's a regular Cosmo. And these are the bright lights. So I'm waiting on those to pop up. Let me slide those over so I can get the zinnias back over here. Alrighty, and I have one little lone pea. Let me move it this way. And that is a green arrow pea. I'm going to plant more peas today. Now, onto this shelf. Now I think I'm going to have to put you back on the tripod. On this shelf, I have all of my peppers. I've got New Mexico Parker, Keystone Giant Bell Pepper, Long Red Cayenne Pepper, Jimmy Nordello peppers. Let's see, I've got habaneros. Who else is over here? I've got carnival bell peppers, jalapeno bell peppers, and of course, more tomato plants that I ran out of those big black, these tall pots, and ended up having to leave them in the cups, and they're not doing too well. Especially this one. This one's looking really sad, but I think he just needs some water. And I just watered them yesterday, but they need more. So I've got tomatoes over here. I even have tomatoes in that back corner up there because I couldn't get them all to fit down on that bottom shelf. And then if you look a little further down, and here I've got tons of cabbages, lots of cabbages. I've got lots of eggplant. And I think I put I've got okra over here. It's the Motherland okra. And I want to say I've got loofah over here as well. But that's all that's on in that little mushroom basket. That's not gonna make it because all of the leaves fell off of it. So that is what I have on the second shelf. Now, down here, it's a little tomato forest. And even though this shelf is lower than or taller than all the other shelves, it's still, oh Jesus, hang on.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, that was my hubs telling me to turn off the faucets that we had turned on because of the ice. So, as I was saying, we have a veritable tomato forest down here. And this has just about every tomato well, I'm not going to say every tomato you can imagine, but it's a combination of a whole lot of them. I've got Amish paste, San Marzano, the German green, I think it's I can't remember her name. But anyway, it's the German green. I've got Roma tomatoes, large cherry tomatoes, honeycomb hybrid tomatoes, San Marzano, not sure if I said that, Cherokee purple. I've got a whole bunch of tomatoes down here. And they've all been up potted into those black bags. Now those black bags I bought them in a bunch of 50 and I ran out, and I still have tomato plants to up pot. So like I said, I don't need any more tomato plants. Down here on this lower shelf, I've got basil, I've got more pepper plants, I've got Brussels sprouts, and I've got bell pepper. And I want to say that one of those is parsley. One or two of these down here are parsley. Then up on this shelf, I have more parsley, more basil, and more hot peppers on this shelf.
Thank you for your subscriptions and views. They are very much appreciated.
Now, up on this shelf, I have more basil and I have more peppers. I've got jalapeno, New Mex Joe Parker, Keystone Giant bell pepper, habanero. I've got a Hungarian wax pepper. Who else is over here? I just got a bunch of peppers and more tomato plants that I could not pot up because I ran out of those bags. And that is what I've got growing on in my seed room. I want to thank you for watching me. I want to thank you for joining me. And if this is your first time or your fifth time visiting our channel or watching one of our videos, please consider subscribing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. Until the next time, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.